Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button. After that you will see your profile. Then you need to open any post you want to add collaboration to, for example this one. And then in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on the three dots button, and then you need to find edit button. Here it is. Then you will see this interface. Here you can add a caption, you can edit this post, you can delete this post, but at the top of your screen next to your profile name there is a little button add collaborators. You need to click on that one button. Then you will see this interface. All you need to do is to click on the invite collaborators option, and then you need to type some person, you need to search for a person, but you can also close this window, you can go back and then click on the tag people at the bottom left corner, and then you need to search again for a person. And that's all, and that's how to add collaborations in Instagram after posting. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.